Expression background pose and animation lighting wind pose processing capture size export upload to VRoid hub 3D printing. Expressions eye movements enable blinking look at camera have iris auto look at camera boxes for each eye sync gaze. Base expressions neutral smiling sad angry happy surprised. Eyebrows smiling sad angry happy surprised. Eye closed closed. Right eye closed left eye closed happy right closed happy left smiling sad angry happy surprised open widely hide irises hide highlights. Mouth default closed upwards downwards narrow widen AIUEO angry smiling happy sad surprised fang skin right fang skin left teeth hide fangs 1 upper fangs 1 lower fangs 2 upper fangs 2 lower fangs 3 upper fangs 3 lower shortness upper shortness lower. Background color box import background image. Pose and animation female animation, male animation pose. Lighting vertical angle horizontal angle intensity color box and picker RGB sliders reset lighting. Wind direction X direction Y direction Z reset wind settings. Post-processing anti-aliasing bloom color grading comic motion blur. Capture size preset size width pixel slider height pixel slider bottom right are the stop and capture buttons. Export polygon reduction material reduction bond reduction export hair as OBJ quadrilateral mesh. Upload to VRoid hub. 3D printing confirm the expression and posing.